All right, friends. So let's talk about how you solve this problem and what we knew. The first thing is, what did we know? What did the problem tell us? Well, the problem told us that Angelica has some pencils that are yellow and some pencils that are pink. It also told us how many she has of each. She said there are 2 yellow ones and 8 pink ones. Now, what does the problem want us to figure out? How many pencils altogether that she has. So what are we going to do with the yellow pencils and the pink pencils? Skirt. We're going to put them together, right? So here are some of the things that people did. You might have used your cubes or your counters to show 2 and 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's 2 for the yellow, and here's 8 for the pink. And then you put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You might have figured that out with a drawing. Here's 2, the yellow pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the pink pencils. 2 yellow, 8 pink. 2 and 8 is 10. You might have even added an equation. 2 plus 8 equals 10. But I saw something new today. This is so exciting. I saw a strategy where someone used their number line to help them figure out this problem. Let me show you what that looks like. So here I have my number line. Okay, I have 0 down on this side, 20 all the way down here. I put it in a sleeve so I could write on it with my marker. And this one way to do this is it says Angelica has 2 yellow pencils. So I'm going to find the number 2 and start there. And then she has 8 pink pencils. So I'm going to make 8 jumps to figure out how many pencils she has, because you said take the yellow pencils, which was 2, and the pink pencils, which was 8, and put it together. So I'm going to go 8 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm at my number 10. So sometimes we could use a number line to help us figure that out. But wait a second, watch this. Since we're putting these things together, I could go the other way too. I like pink. I'm going to start with the number 8. Here's my 8 pink pencils. And then how many more yellow pencils does she have? She has 2. 1, 2. Look at that. I made 2 jumps for the yellow pencils, and I'm at the number 10 again. Awesome. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So sometimes we could use our number line to help us figure out problems too. So let's try another problem. And this time I want you to try to use your number line. Okay? Here's our problem. Let me make my picture a little smaller. Can you guess what it's going to be about this time? There's Evie's name, and there's some birds in the tree. The problem says Evie saw 6 birds in the tree. 1 more bird flew to the tree. How many birds are in the tree now? Listen again and think about what this might look like on your number line, because I want you to try to use your number line to solve this problem. Evie saw 6 birds in the tree. Are you picturing that in your head? 1 more bird flew to the tree. Did you see it? How many birds are in the tree now? I want you to try to solve this problem using a number line. You could draw one, or you might have one printed out at home. So use your number line to figure out this word problem, and then send me another video showing me what you did or how you figured it out with your number line.